Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of the React Native. So today we are going to learn about the React Native text. So React Native text is a React component for displaying the text. Okay, so we have to know that the text is basically for displaying the React Native text is basically for displaying the text. Text supports nesting, styling, and touch handling. Okay, this component can be nested and it can inherit the properties from parent to child. This can be useful in many ways. How to import the text in code? So import text from React Native. Render using text, and this is your text. Okay, then combining all, then we have a import, then we are using from the text. First it is should be a safe area, then view, then we have a text. Okay, so this is the use of the text in the React Native. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a great day. Any query, any issue, let me know in the comment section.